You already know who it is. Alright, before we start the vlog, I just want to give a quick shout out to, the people, the visionary, the one and only, my supporter, my family. Thank you guys for getting me to 40,000 subscribers. As you guys can see, I'm speechless, man. I don't know what to say. It's still crazy to me that you guys really support me and you guys really want to see me win. And I'm gonna do everything in my power to really give back to you guys and support you guys too and inspire you guys by putting out awesome content for you guys to watch. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm back in America, in California, in Los Angeles. Some people have been commenting and asking me if I'm back in California, but man, the kid is back. Back and better, man. We back in LA, back to the grind. So my trip in the air chair was awesome. I can't lie to you guys. I had the best time of my life, connecting with my family, friends. Whenever I go back to air chair, my mind is always cleared and refreshed. I don't know why, but I feel at peace whenever I'm back home. And coming back to America is different because there's so many things going around you and you have to balance this and this. But whenever I'm in the air chair, I'm always at my happiest when I'm in the air chair. I don't know why. So that's why I like going back to air chair. Whenever I can. But anyways, man, for today's vlog, we're gonna keep it lit, we're gonna keep it going. We can't stop right here, we gotta keep it going, we gotta get to 50K subscribers, 100K, and so on, so on. So today's video is gonna be lit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we're about to go to Rolling Loud, and then after that, we're gonna go to a little underground show. There's gonna be some well-known artists, also some YouTuber, and you guys might know by the name of Gideon, and some artist named DC the Don. So the reason why I'm going to Rolling Loud is one of my friend artists that I worked with for a while invited me to capture Rolling Loud for him, so I'm going there. 2022 is around the corner though, so you guys stay tuned. I got some dope content coming up for you guys that you guys will really like. I love y'all so much, man. If you guys haven't subscribe, comment, like, and yeah, man, let's get it.
What up, Oos?
I kill a nigga over my brother, that's no cap. Why you bitch giving me brain, that's no cap.
As you guys see, I'm back at it. Back at the gym like a crack addict. If you guys remember like a video I did a while ago, I did a 30-day transformation, and that's when I started my workout journey. And I told you guys I'm gonna keep going, and that's what I'm doing right now. Health is very important, health over wealth. And working out really helped me. I'm just trying to better myself by working out every day, waking up in the morning, getting good pump, good exercise. Hopefully in a year, I'm gonna show you guys a transformation video. Until then, I'm gonna keep working out and keep doing.
I've been ballin' every day with my day ones. I've been getting to the money, trying to say some. Women always trying to have a conversation. I ain't answering your phone on my vacation. Love my city, but the shit was getting dangerous. I was burning, all I needed was some patience. I remember when we running out of bacons. We gon' run into the top.
Just got done working out. Got a little pump. Nice there. It's a work in progress, y'all. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna show you guys could do it too. This is just for y'all to get inspired. If I could do it, you guys could do it too. So you guys see the progress for me. Let me take my shirt off real quick.
Oh, fuck!
Yes, sir. We back at it, feel me? But hey, what do you guys think? Should I start boxing? I think I'm gonna start boxing. You guys think I should start boxing?
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Anybody want to box, man? Let me know, man. Let's make it happen in LA. Yes, sir, man. So yeah, let's get back to the vlog. After a good workout, this is what you gotta eat. Some eggs. You guys know I love eggs, so I have to make some eggs. I put some Chick-fil-A sauce on it. I'm gonna give you guys a little taste real quick. If you guys don't know, I could cook too, by the way. I don't just make eggs. Even though I love egg, panino, I could make some other stuff too. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This is the best egg sandwich I ever made. But anyways, y'all. So right now I'm getting ready to go to Rolling Loud. Like I told you guys, it's gonna be lit. Rolling Loud is one of the biggest music festivals in like the United States of America, if you guys don't know. I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna show you guys a little behind the scene. I've been to Rolling Loud before. I've been to like Miami Rolling Loud, Bay Area Rolling Loud. This is my first time going to LA Rolling Loud. So we're about to see how it is. Hopefully it's lit. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. Y'all stay tuned, man, let's get it. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm driving and I'm going there today. And I'm gonna show you guys a little behind the scene. what rolling out looks like. His name's AZ Chike. You guys might know him. You guys might listen to his music. If you guys have never been to a music festival, I definitely recommend it. And yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We on the way right now. Look at this.
I got what's scars, no heart for a nigga who play no part. Finally made it at the mud, had a slow start. I was down on my ass, I had to go hard.
This is what it looks like backstage at the trailers.
I'm finna go on stage. It's getting hectic. You gotta get everybody together. Yeah, we got Christian coming right now. That's it. We final. Texting the DJ now.
So behind the scenes filming. This is the trailer where the artists be chilling.
But I be giving Sam a hard time because I never know what I want to do exactly. But I just know I need him here.
But he got
That's
the
all that
vision.
matters.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need him here.
Yeah.
That's it.
We're good. We cleared everything out.
Go ahead, run that. No cost. Just
What you prefer?
Chicken strips, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so right now I'm gonna take you guys on a little underground, you know, little rap concert in downtown LA.
Hey man,
Boy, you know what I'm saying?
one night in LA hosted by Next Up, man. DC the Dons, Dion, Kudeka, everybody finna run this bitch.
Yeah, you guys should know about Dion by now. He's a, you know, up there YouTuber. So hopefully he's lit, and we're gonna check it out, man. It's gonna be some, you know, good music, good energy, and you know me, I'm gonna turn up for me. So get it.
Home angels daily. Svenskheter fastnar på mig som for evig. De spanner på meg og de ser meg i en brand new Mercedes. Jeg gir deg bare flaus og snakker ikke AJ Tracy. My baby.
I just got back to the house, and I was having a good time until I got in the mail some ticket. Look what I just got, man. So apparently I just got a ticket for running a red light. I don't even remember running a red light. So I went to the website to check the video out. You guys check out this video, man. Look at this video. All right, y'all see this video right here? All right, watch this. This is my car pulling up right now, and I stopped at the line. So apparently they're saying I passed the line by this much, so I get a ticket. So they sent me a $500 ticket. I was just having a good day, man. What the? Looks like I'm going to court, man. I'm not gonna pay this $500 ticket for that. I didn't even pass the red light. I didn't even cross the red light. I just passed the line by this much, man. They playing with me, man. Hey, LA County, I'm gonna see you in court, man. I'm about to see you in court soon. Stay tuned. But I'm gonna fight that out for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, man. I put a lot of effort and time into, you know, creating this video for you guys. If you guys want to see more videos like these, content where I just, you know, showcase, you know, my everyday lifestyle from, you know, start to end, let me know in the comment section. We're gonna make it happen. I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like if you haven't liked. And yeah, I see you, man. If you're watching this video and you made it this far, you're a real one. I'll give you a kiss probably. If you made it this far, feel me? No homo. Oh! Yeah. Anyway, man, I'll see you guys at the next episode. 3, 2, 1. Peace.
Diamonds drip on my body. I just rock designer. Came straight from Barney.